Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I have two inductor cooker. This is both of problem. There is power, but no hot. Yeah. Then I have turned it on. There is E9 error code. E9 error code, and there is code can see, but there is no display code. Yeah. There is no display for code. So this both of same problem, but it's showing E9 and there is no code. Okay, then I've checked. Finally I found both of same problem. Yeah, I found this board is this capacitor. Yeah, can you see this capacitor? Yeah, see 0.03 microfarad, 600 volt. And this also same thing. This also I have checked. I didn't get any problem. Then I doubt this problem is the same things. 0.3 microfarad, 600 volt AC. Yeah. And I have changed it, and then also I share some of the common problem in this in inductor. First common problem is this capacitor. Yeah, it's this. There is three capacitor. One, two, three capacitor. But first problem is the 0.3 microfarad, 600 volt AC. Yeah, this one. Yeah, it's I have changed from here this, and from here I have changed this. This is the first problem, the capacitor. Then second problem is transistor. Yeah, you can see here this transistor. Then third problem is rectifier diode. Then fourth problem, there is fuse. Yeah, here is fuse. You can check continuity in here. Yeah, there is fuse, thermal fuse, and that is for sensor. You can see ohms. If there is ohms, then sensor is okay. But if you see, you have to see the thermal fuse. You have to see continuity. If there is continuity, that means thermal fuse is okay. So that's it. My life I've seen. Then anyway, I'll fix it back. Then I'll see there is hot or not. So okay, dear viewers, alhamdulillah, it's working fine. So it was problem just only capacitor. This 600 volt, and that is 630 volts. So 600 volt also can use same things. Okay, dears, alhamdulillah, so it's working fine. So if I change it there, so alhamdulillah, this also working fine. So just capacitor only. Okay, dear viewers, if it is helpful for you this video, please press a like button. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.